This Pecan Pie Chex Party Mix is the perfect combination of sweet and salty, and a delicious treat to serve at a party or give as a gift to your neighbors and friends. It starts with rice Chex and pecans coated in a soft caramel and drizzled with white chocolate. It makes this a holiday treat that everyone will love. It's easy to throw together and makes a ton, so you can share it with everyone. Let's make this sweet treat together today. The ingredients you're going to need are rice Chex cereal, chopped pecans, brown sugar, butter, light corn syrup, baking soda, vegetable oil, and white chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, combine 8 cups of rice Chex cereal with 2 cups of chopped pecans. In a small pan, combine together 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of butter, and 1/3 cup of light corn syrup. Over medium heat, you're going to melt the ingredients until they have fully combined just before it begins to bubble. There are so many variations of the Chex Mix. Which one is your personal favorite? Comment below and I'd love to see what variations are most popular. Cover 2 of your baking sheet pans with either parchment paper or wax paper, whatever you've got on hand. Now your caramel mixture on the stovetop has just begun to come to a bubble. You're going to remove it from the stovetop and whisk in a half a teaspoon of baking soda until smooth to create a caramel coating. Pour the caramel over the rice Chex and chopped pecans and gently fold until the cereal and pecans are evenly coated. This might take longer than you think it will. Be really careful to not crush the rice Chex when you're mixing everything together. Spread the mixture now onto the 2 baking sheets lined with the wax paper and let it cool. Now we're going to melt the white chocolate by creating a double boiler. One thing to note is white chocolate has a low melting point and it's sensitive to high temperatures, so it's really easy to burn. So what you're going to do is fill the bottom of your pan halfway with water, bring that to a simmer over medium-low heat, then use a bowl with your white chocolate inside of it, making sure the water does not touch the bottom of the bowl, and stir it constantly until it's melted. And also to help keep the white chocolate from hardening, you can add a small amount of odorless vegetable oil, about 1 or 2 teaspoons depending on what your needs are. Drizzle the melted white chocolate over the Chex Mix and refrigerate, or leave it out on the counter to set, whichever you prefer. I put mine in the garage because that was one of the colder places of the house and I didn't have room in my fridge. So whatever works for you. The Pecan Pie Chex Mix has become one of our family's favorite. Once it is set, you can break it into pieces to serve or place it in individual serving cups. Or if your party guests are too excited to try your Pecan Pie Chex Mix, you can serve it straight from the pan or place it in a serving bowl or dish. Either way you serve it, I know the Pecan Pie Chex Mix will be a recipe to help you create some new memories this holiday season. Don't forget to check out some of my other great Christmas recipes, which start with my grandma's caramel recipe. It is a classic that I make every single year. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll get notified when I share more great videos just like this one. Wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas this holiday season.